course title, Use of Drones, Sensors, and GPS in Farming. Welcome to EarthTab Business School. My name is Collins Wanjala, and I will be your course preceptor for the course, Use of Drones, Sensors, and GPS in Farming. The course, Use of Drones, Sensors, and GPS in Farming, is an advanced, technology-driven program designed to equip you with in-depth knowledge and practical expertise in modern precision agriculture. As the global agricultural landscape evolves, there is a growing need for data-driven approaches that enhance productivity, efficiency, and sustainability. This course offers a rigorous exploration of how unmanned aerial vehicles, drones, advanced sensing technologies, and GPS-based systems can transform farm management, improve crop yields, and optimize resource utilization. The course is meticulously structured to provide a holistic understanding of precision agriculture, emphasizing both theoretical frameworks and applied strategies. You will be guided through the technological principles, operational procedures, analytical methodologies, and decision-making processes associated with the deployment of drones, sensors, and GPS in modern farming environments. Course outcomes. Upon completion, you will be proficient in the application of drones, sensors, and GPS technologies to optimize farm productivity, enhance decision-making, reduce operational costs, and promote sustainable agricultural practices. You will be capable of designing, implementing, and managing precision agriculture projects, analyzing collected data for actionable insights, and contributing to the modernization of agricultural systems through smart technologies. I look forward to congratulating you upon completion of this course.